Small businesses in the machine, die and tool and defence industries can get a serious leg up from the research and development tax credit by reducing their corporation tax liability for qualifying work, like designing custom tooling, streamlining manufacturing processes, or building innovative prototypes. On top of that, startups that aren't pulling in much revenue yet can make the most of the payable credit, letting them claim up to a 30% credit as cash refunds to help cover those highly technical labour costs. It's a great way to support your cash flow and keep putting money back into innovation and growth. By claiming these credits, small firms can keep their expenses down while making real technological strides in precision machining and tooling. For more details, get in touch with your local Swanson Reed representative.